What's your friend's name?
Alonso Quijano. ¿Es por eso que Quijano?
Be careful, okay? It's not your country anymore.
You know, if you want to get me in trouble, you can keep on doing this.
Hey, come.
I don't need your fucking money. Come back to your country, little boy.
I told you to leave, Mr. Sancho.
Boss, nasaktan mo si...
Who are you in all this? I mean, what? I'm the only friend you have here right now.